Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome. I'm Linda, in case anybody does not know my name, and my channel is Pretty Designs and Thrifty Finds, and I'm going to live up to my channel name tonight. I'm going to make a pretty design, and I'm going to show you a couple of thrifty finds, okay? So this, I got 2 packs of this, and this is very cute, like if you're going to put it in like a, like a kid's room or something. But I'm going to take the other pack and I'm going to change it up a little bit and make it look a little bit more grown up, okay? So let's go. Okay, so the first thing I did was I took the string out, and I originally planned on putting some twine here, like some jute twine, I guess it's called. And then I was going to use hole punchers to go through it, but the hole puncher wouldn't work, so I'm just going to string this back up, okay, into the holes when I get it all together. So what I did was I have 2 pieces of material. They come in rolls. You know how they have rolled up material at the Dollar Tree? So I got this material and I got this material. And so what I did was, I'm going to show you exactly how I did it, but I took all the tails off of the bunnies and I put them aside, okay? And then what I did was on this side of the bunny, okay, like the side that the tail is on, I took a piece of material and I put it on top of that. But before I did that, I'll show you what I did. Okay, so I took some of this spray adhesive, okay, and I just sprayed it on top of the bunny like that. I'm using that like chopping block thing I got at the Dollar Tree, so it won't ruin my table. Okay, so honestly though, I let it dry for, I'm going to say, like a good maybe hour, and I still feel like I had to, put some hot glue on the edges. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go out and I'm going to put some hot glue on the edges, then I'm going to cut around it. I'm like picking up the ears. I'm doing this with one hand right now. I'm picking up the ears. I'll put some hot glue there, and then I'll, stick it. Okay, so I'm about to cut around it. Okay, I don't know if you can, let me try to heighten this up so you can see what I'm doing. Although you guys know how to cut around things. Okay, so let's just go ahead and I'll try to keep it in the camera. And I'll just do a little bit of it. And then for time purposes, I'll just come back when it's cut out. Okay, and as you can see, I made a little bit of a, speaking of cutting around things, right? So there's a little piece there, but it's not too bad. And then I put the tails on the ones that I already did. Now I'm just about to put the tail back on that one. And I do hope that I get to show you my, the things that I bought at the Dollar Tree. This is the pretty design. I hope I get to show you the thrifty find. Maybe I'll just show you one, but it will be something, right? So that guy's ready to go. Okay, so I somehow got this through the needle. I made like a little knot right here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start from behind, and I hope I'm doing this right. But I'm going to go through this hole. Okay. Because I'm pretty sure, let me just check something. Yes, I'm doing it right because I was looking at the one on the wall. So I'm going to find the other hole, and then I'm just going to pull it through. Okay, in other words, I'm just like restringing it for the wall. So let me come back and I'll show you what it looks like all restrung up, okay? Okay, I don't know who caught it, but my first major mistake was I made a knot at the wrong end. I shouldn't have done that. So anyway, I just started again. So I don't know what I was thinking when I put the knot. It wouldn't go through. So let me start again. So now I can make the knot at this end so it won't pull through the rest of them. And I forgot to say I'm going to alternate check, stripe, check, stripe. Oops. And I forgot to say this is my Whatever Wednesday, guys. So there's the before. And here is the after, guys. And I hope you like it. The hardest part, like the most tedious part, was cutting around it. That's what took me the longest time. So let me just show you really quick what I got at the Dollar Tree, and hopefully this will not cut out. And thank you so much for watching if it does cut out. Okay, so here is my thrifty find. So these are like racks, okay, like a wire, square shaped wire net. And then these go on it. So you can just like, you know, put it anywhere, like maybe put it in your bathroom, your kitchen. It just hooks right on like that. I'm going to put it up like that, okay? You can see that when I already did it. I haven't put them on the wall yet because I don't know where I want to put them on the wall. But guys, thanks for coming along on my Whatever Wednesday. I really appreciate you all. And I will see you in the next video. Bye now. I just put it on the wall so you could see it a little bit better. Bye now.